Today, pesticides have brought convenience to agriculture, but nature and people have paid a heavy price. The traditional methods clearly posed numerous challenges. This is why KOSIFARMS believed that safer and more sustainable solutions were necessary. Since 2020, with a commitment to preserving nature, we have identified key issues and have been researching and producing eco-friendly organic materials under the motto, "Through technology to the world." As a result, we developed the world's first water-soluble product created by ionically bonding sulfur and silicate. This innovative product achieves 100% absorption in crops, overcoming the limitations of traditional methods in various environments, delivering optimal results. It reduces pesticide and fertilizer usage while increasing crop yields. Our products make nature safer, farmers' lives more convenient, and pave the way for an ideal future. With advanced technology and proprietary production lines, we provide tailored OEM production for customers, offering specialized products through patented technology. Additionally, driven by R&D, we collaborate with domestic and international companies to globalize eco-friendly agricultural technology, contributing to the sustainable development of agriculture. A healthy agricultural society in harmony with nature, KOSIFARMS is making it a reality.